Hello, my name is John from CMR Electrical, and today I'm going to be talking about the LD32 and also the LD64. This is a 32 zone or a 64 zone water detection unit. It's mostly used in big, massive building blocks. So one of the first things you'll notice is the alarm panel. So in the alarm panel, you'll probably have this in the reception area or a security room. And it has a nice, clear, large display, and it shows you that at this moment in time, all of the zones are normal. And obviously, depending on how many you have, you can flick on to the next page, and it tells you that all 36 zones at this moment in time are in normal. You can click on the info button, and it tells you, for example, more information about when the last fault was, last alarm was, etc., etc. At the bottom of the alarm panel, at the bottom of the PC board, at the moment it's 230 volts, but obviously for American customers and worldwide, we can adjust the voltage accordingly. The black terminals here are for the BMS. So this tells you when you're in a common alarm, common faults, or for example, if there's a second alarm, a new alarm will be triggered. You can also have the option of connecting a flashing audible beacon or an SMS text messaging unit as well. This particular cable here is about 305 meters long, and it's connected to the right over here to our LD32 outstation box. Now, this particular client wanted all of the outstations all in one box, which will probably go towards nearby the alarm panel. However, you can have the outstations on individual floors, depending on what your needs are. At the bottom here, you can see all of these equipment here. This is just purely to power the battery. And the battery will last between 6 to 8 hours, depending obviously how much current you are drawing, depending on how many outstations you have. As you can see here, this particular unit is connected with lots of different water length detection cables. They can range anywhere from 0 to 50 meters, depending on your application. So now I'm going to actually put the LD32 actually into an alarm. So I'm going to press this test button here. This is for zone station 20. And if you go to the alarm panel here, after a while it will flash very clearly red and it will say water detected in zone 20. So I'm going to mute that. Also on the display here, you can still see that all of the other zones are normal, but you can see this one here quite clearly flashing. Zone 20 is in alarm. Now, if I take my finger off the button, that will indicate, for example, that the water leak has been cleared up, and obviously the system will automatically reset, and eventually it will then go back to normal, and it will be green for good. Now, this particular outfit also is connected to a BMS box over here. Now, the advantage of this is it will give you an indication to your BMS of exactly what zone is in alarm. So it will trigger an alarm in the reception or security area, which will save you then having to walk all the way to the alarm panel and actually identifying which zone is in alarm. If you'd like any more information on how the LD64 or LD32 water alarm panel works, please have a look at our website at cmrelectrical.com. Thank you very much.